As a child grows into an adult, different aspects of their physical, emotional, and mental self needs development. To help a child reach his full potential, it is necessary to recognize the child's developmental needs and abilities. To be effective, after-school programs should assist children with tasks they must accomplish during each stage of development. A child's growth curve can be divided into 3 main parts. 1. Young child, ages 3 to 5. 2. Middle school, ages 6 to 8. 3. Older school, ages 9 to 12. There are 4 important domains of development. 1. Physical domain. 2. Social domain. 3. Emotional domain. 4. Intellectual domain. Each of these domains needs to be separately addressed during the various phases of a child's growth. After-school programs should concentrate on developing each domain as applicable to the age of the child. Although the children participating in these programs may have similar developmental needs and age, do not expect development to be uniform. Children will develop as, and when, they are ready. Physical domain. When children are young, they want to perfect skills that they have just learned. A variety of movements such as jumping, catching, and throwing delight them. The middle school child, on the other hand, wants to learn more complex skills and get involved in team sports. This is also the best time to learn about rules and discipline in sports. The older school child is ready for more adult-like activities that need greater structure and discipline, like dancing, gymnastics, and music classes. Social domain. Young children are observing others and will be interested in games where they play the roles of family members. They develop short-term friendships and need an adult's presence to assure them. The middle school child is intrigued by society and will love trips to factories and public buildings. They want to know the how and why of things. The older school child is ready to learn about different cultures, food, and customs. They want to do some amount of social work too. Intellectual domain. Young school children will practice what they are learning. Middle school children want to learn more skills and will show interest in reading, drama, and problem solving. The older school children are ready to research and probe. They enjoy getting a puzzle and pondering over it. Any after-school program needs to address the interests of the child depending on the category he belongs to. Knowing the children in your program and appreciating their needs and interests will help staff to plan and structure programs that are most useful to that group. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.